Diseases: diabetes, hypertension, cancer, heart disease, liver disease, allergies. Paano malalaman kung meron ka nito? Dark spots of acne, obesity, bad breath and body odor, poor vision, muscle sore. Why do diseases occur? Number 1, toxin buildup. Number 2, immunocompromise. Number 3, decreased metabolism. People love to eat, whether for nutrition or ang masama, stress eating. The problem is we accumulate so much toxins na nakukompromise ang ating immune system, making us prone to dreaded diseases. This is why regular detoxification is very good to promote health. Constipation, bloatedness, and irregular bowel movement is an early sign of toxin accumulation in the body, which is why, as we age, we need to supplement our body to be able to naturally eliminate toxins. Chantal Getway is the best detoxification supplement because it's all natural. It has, number 1, blue-green algae, rich in phycocyanin and chlorophyll, protects the DNA and the cell membrane. Number 2, hundreds of vegetables include antioxidants that scavenges free radicals. Number 3, strong, natural, fermented fruit and vegetable essence. The effect is smooth and pleasant to drink. Number 4, barley grass juice powder, multivitamins and minerals that reduces toxins absorbed by the body. Number 5, fructooligosaccharides FOC to remove fecal odor. Number 6, konjac flour with detoxification, reduces swelling and has a weight loss effect. Majority of dreaded diseases are brought about by poor nutrition and poor detoxification. With Chantal Getways, nalilinis ang ating katawan. At pinakamaganda pa, you are losing unwanted weight. I highly suggest Chantal Getways to regularly prevent the development of diseases. Para sa pampahaba ng buhay, kailangan may Chantal sa ating bahay.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Getways ay hindi gamot at di dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.